What's up guys, Papa Piggy is here and welcome sa ating channel. Papunta tayo sa town ng Kingsbury. Magdadrive tayo ng 1.5 oras, but unfortunately eto ang sitwasyon ngayon. Tigil dito sa motorway. Ang haba nito hanggang doon, hindi na natin makita hanggang doon sa dulo. Merong banggaan sa unahan natin, hindi natin alam kung ano nangyari. Anyway, sana makalampas tayo dito kasi hanggang 4 o'clock lang yung event. Tama ko itong dalawang alaga kong makulit, tsaka yung bunso ko nasa likod, tsaka yung wife ko. Hindi available yung panganay ko, so kami lang yung magpo-food trip. Usad Pagong, ano ba yan? Na-delay tayo ngayon di sa pupuntahan natin. Right, nandito na tayo mga kakural dito sa Warwick. So unfortunately yung food festival is na-cancelled pala. Hindi ko naman na-check kaninang umaga. Kagabi chinik ko, wala namang ipinost kagabi. So ngayong umaga nung pagdating natin doon sa venue, kinancel daw nila because of the weather. Nandito na rin lang tayo. So may time pa para pasyalan natin yung market day nila. Right, hanapin lang natin yung market. Ha? Saan? Diretso daw eh, sabi ni Google eh. Ay nako, sira ang araw ko. Yung traffic hindi nakisama, yung weather hindi nakisama. Ngayon ang bagsak natin, market day. Tapos yung market day nila hanggang 3 o'clock lang. It's now almost 2:30 ng hapon. So ano nga abutan natin dito? Wala nga. Wow, ano kaya ito? Simbahan nila. Yeah, I think andito na tayo. Pero may abutin kaya tayo. It's now 2:35. Hanggang alas 3 lang to. I wonder why, bakit ang agap nila mag-closing ng market. Okay. Ito na nga. Ano kasi yung kainin eh. Tara, yung iba nag-ano na, naghahakot yung iba. Hindi tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong makakain. May pie, gusto mong bilhin yun, no? Gusto mong bilhin yung pie? Ha? Ako, may nakuha na ata. Wala na, closing na yung iba eh. Spinach, cheese. Ano ito? Sabon. Mga souvenir na lang eh. Yung mga pagkain wala. Steak and sausage, Cornish pasty, pili oh, tatong sasara na to. Hello mate,
would you like to try some?
Yeah, please.
Do you want to try the pork one first? Ooh. You can have some big slices now because it's getting towards the end of the day.
thank you.
Chiara.
Let's try.
Ay, hala.
I'll just give you a piece each. How about you, little fella?
You want to try?
Oh, no, I'm okay.
What's that? The one you gave us.
That's the pork pie, that one. Traditional pork pie. That one.
That one's pork pie.
The pork pie.
How
yeah.
much?
This £5.50 or 2 for £10, and they're that size. I've got one pork pie left, and this is I'm going to show you now.
2 for 10.
2 for £10. Yeah. But this is a lamb and feta cheese, Greek cheese.
Try. Thank you. It's not good. I love it.
I love that little top one. Is it a coffee
Yeah.
milk? How would it?
Kabakushan. And then the other one, just
This one
chicken.
is chicken and beef, and I've got
Try natin chicken and beef.
one of got one of those left.
I like this lamb and feta.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
We'll try that one first. We'll get two. Thank you.
I'll try some chicken and beef.
Yes.
I like lamb.
Yeah. I like this one, the lamb, and the pork pie.
You want one pork pie and one lamb?
Yes.
So you can have the last of the pork pies. Pork pie has one hole in it,
Alright.
and the lamb has 4 in it. So you can tell the difference. Look, they pay cash.
Yeah, cash please.
Okay. Great, thank you.
Thanks so much. Fun. Thank you.
Yung sa ayam. Tapos
Gusto
isang
mo?
sate ayam.
Sate ayam?
Yeah, please. Sate ayam.
How many
want the
portions do
pancit?
you want chicken satay? 1 portion? 2 portions?
Only 1 portion.
Oh, 1 portion.
Yeah.
That's specific.
I know. I like Indian food as well.
Yeah, this is I just make it mini thicker. Can I card?
Cash.
Yeah. Thank you very
What
much.
else?
Yeah, please.
Chicken satay. I like the sauce.
You like the sauce? It's
It's
peanut
really
sauce.
Masarap.
Is it peanut sauce?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yung satay.
Tapos meron siyang ano. What's this? Toasted the one you spread, is it onion?
Yeah.
Anak
Tell
ko
me if you
na.
allergy something.
No.
I just say orange. I just give it to you.
No, it's nice.
I put extra tofu.
It's a bit spicy, but no, it's fine.
A little bit thick, is it?
Yeah,
But are you okay? It's spicy for you now.
yeah, it's fine. And there's some sweetness as well.
It's nice.
Masarap.
That like lemongrass as well. Lemongrass.
Yeah.
Mm.
Masarap, yeah.
Masarap.
I like the strong taste. I like really
He knows how to speak Tagalog.
a little bit.
Hirap mag-vlog, oh, gawa mo. Makulit. At saka eto, makulit. Oh.
Thank you.
Can I cut?
Cash. Bakla ba? Vegan. Hmm?
Wala ko.
Yun.
Tested falafel.
Yun, try. Yan. Ah,
The portion has 10 pieces and some sauce to bread.
you want?
Yeah, can I have falafel, please? Falafel portion, how much it is?
£7.
$7.
Ay.
Thank you. Can I have 2 of this, please?
This one.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
please.
Anything else?
Isa pa.
one more,
Another
one more.
One more, please.
That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
How much altogether?
When you're ready, payment here,
7
please.
and then 6.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. 13.
13? Balik tayo rito. Bili pa tayong ano.
It was £5.
Can I have 3 more? Baklava, please.
No price. Box.
Nice, you like it?
Yeah. Very nice.
You can do this box. Do you want this?
There you go.
Yes, we have dolma.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Enjoy.
Masarap yung baklava niya kasi fresh siya. Pag kanya makagat mo siya, rinig mo crunch siya.
No, it's because it has more pastry.
Yung pastry niya, rinig mo. Ito naman iyak ng iyak.
It's because the structure is different as well. Whereas the regular baklava, it's more soaked in
Syrup.
the sugar syrup. That's why it's not as crunchy.
May goreng
Okay.
na may prawn.
Na may prawn na may chicken.
Sarap siyang tingnan.
Kabe ah.
Ah.
Bago siyang luto.
Init.
Mainit. Sarap? Hmm?
Maraming chicken. May mga chicken tapos mayroong prawn.
Mungok. Parang ano din, lutong Pilipino din. Oh. Ano yung parang ano?
Yeah,
Tofu skin.
Tofu skin? Ah, kaya pala. Akala ko balat ng chicken. Tofu skin pala yun.
Gusto ko sa maanghang.
Dami siya, madaming lahok. Oh.
May 10 pounds
may
eh.
tofu skin, merong prawn.
Daming gulay.
Dami, maraming gulay.
Hongkong.
Chicken kebab. Oh, what else?
Smoky rice masarap.
What's that?
Yeah,
Kebab?
smoky rice.
Half price.
Yeah, I love it.
Half price? £2.50. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
This one, yeah.
Harissa.
It's like kasaba cake.
Oh
Kaya
yeah.
lang yung texture niya is it's different.
Mga tayo.
Sige.
Can we get 2 please?
Two?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Kayong dalawa, kayo'y abala ni hindi tayo makakain sa restaurant, oh. Amo, andito lang tayo sa labas, oh.
Sabi Papa, hindi tayo papapasukin.
Hindi tayo papapasok kung gawaan yung dalawa.
Bawal kami, Papa. Bawal kami. Sinet, Papa.
How much ang bili mo niyan? Ha? 395 lang. Bani?
Thank you.
Yan na, papasok na tuloy ako dito sa charity shop. Check ko muna ito mga DVD, ECD. Mga books. Long playing album, meron pa. Mga plaka. Unan. Ano yung basket?
Oo. Gamit ang dalawa.
Kung maayos ng bahay natin, pwede tayong bumili ng mga gamit. Oh. May mga picture frame. Oh. Naabot na tayo ng ulan. Talagang di nakikisamang panahon. Naulan na.